Welcome to Wisconsin Homestyle Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland.
Today I'm showcasing one of my favorite breakfast foods, pancakes. Not only is this a great way to utilize multiple different Wisconsin products, but it's perfect to celebrate National Pancake Day, which falls on February 16th this year. Fun fact, I made pancakes for my 4-H demonstration when I was in the Hay Creek Bramblers 4-H Club. Pancakes have always been something that I've loved to make. My mom taught me the recipe when I was about 7 years old, and ever since then, I can't stop making them. So I hope you enjoy this recipe for buttermilk pancakes. Let's get started. And that's how you make my family's buttermilk pancakes. Make sure to enjoy with a big glass of milk. We use this batter to make apple skeevers, pancakes, leftover pancakes. So I hope you guys loved it and enjoy National Pancake Day.